The Puffer Jacket Cleanup, Washing 101.
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a commonly asked question. How do you wash a puffer jacket in the washing machine? You might think it's a tricky task, but it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in and keep that puffer looking as good as new.
Preparing your puffer jacket for the wash.
First and foremost, check the care label of your jacket. This should give you specific instructions from the manufacturer. If machine washing is not recommended, please consider professional cleaning instead. If your jacket is machine washable, prepare your jacket for washing. Close all zippers, snap all buttons, and secure any Velcro to prevent any damage. Empty all pockets and turn the jacket inside out.
Washing your puffer jacket.
Now, we're ready for the wash. Set your washing machine to a gentle or delicate cycle with cold water. Puffer jackets are quite fragile and we don't want to damage them with a harsh wash. Add a small amount of mild detergent to the machine. Avoid using too much soap as this can damage the jacket's material. Avoid fabric softeners and bleach. They can degrade the jacket's insulation and water repellency. If possible, add a couple of clean tennis balls to the machine. They can help redistribute the filling evenly and prevent clumping.
Drying your puffer jacket.
After washing, it's time to dry the jacket. Gently squeeze out any excess water from your jacket. Avoid wringing or twisting as it can damage the filling. You can machine dry your puffer jacket if the care label allows it. Use a low heat setting and again, add a few clean tennis balls to the dryer to help fluff up the jacket. If you're air drying, lay the jacket flat and periodically fluff it by hand to prevent the filling from clumping. And that's it, folks. Taking care of your puffer jacket is as simple as that. With these steps, your jacket should remain clean and fluffy. Always remember to check the care label before attempting to wash your jacket to ensure the longevity of your favorite puffer. Stay warm and stylish.